Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is gonna be different because of my hair. The reason why I did the turban here is because, well, not turban here, I mean the turban, is because I didn't get my hair cut yet, so yeah, I didn't want to touch it or do it, so I just did the turban. So this is gonna be something new on my lazy days. But anyways, I'll be getting my hair cut soon on October 14th because my hair lady came back to work. She had knee surgery. So anyways, yeah. This video is about the Tacha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist Spray. I purchased this from my local Sephora when the first day it was launched. Well, it wasn't launched yet. It was still in the back and I asked about it. And the lady was like, oh, we have some. We could sell you one. And I was like, sure, okay. This retails for $48, so if you're not wanting to spend $48 for a spray that has 1.35 fluid ounce in it, then don't. So yeah, this is the packaging. I took it out of the packaging already. This box, description and back. This is supposed to give you a dewy skin mist. So yeah. My skin type, which I don't really talk about, so y'all been telling me to talk about my skin type. So anyways, my skin type is oily to combination skin. Summertime, I'm really oily because I sweat. But then now that it's getting colder, hold on. Now that it's getting colder, my skin is getting more drier. So yeah, I need to put moisturizer on every day before I go to work. So yeah, sorry, I kind of moved over a little bit. This is how the bottle looks like. It's very cute. It's glass bottle. It's lavender faded to white, as you can see. And it's the back, and let's see, the bottle is fucking gorgeous. Purple, which is our family favorite color because my dad and uncle, they always wear purple. So yes, the bottle is like this, and it's gold. So yeah, I have not done my face yet. I know, this is my natural beauty. So anyways, I'm gonna this is my face with nothing on. Nothing on. I mean, I did my under eye cream and my Makeup Forever Step 1 smoothing primer on my pores. So now I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. So yeah, let's just do a little chit chat video / review. So anyways, since the Hmong New Year is coming around, and Oklahoma New Year is the first one, hold on. Anyways, yeah, it's during the 24th and the 25th weekend. I tried to apply for a dance competition, but I can't compete because they don't allow soloists. So the lady recommended me to go do a general show, so yeah. I wanted to do it. Well, I didn't want to go, but I don't know. We'll see how everything goes because there's possibly a funeral during that same weekend too, so if there is the funeral, then I won't be coming to Oklahoma New Year. So sorry for all the Oklahoma fans, you would have to come see me at Arkansas and the other Oklahoma New Year that joined together, which is the weekend after that. So yeah, because I will be competing there. So if you guys are going, please come out and support me. Hold on. Put some moisturizer on my hands too. Oh, what is this? So yeah, anyways, catch up on my life. Been busy working. Shit, you know. I'm excited for all my trips. I can't wait for my Black Friday, Thanksgiving fucking trip to get away from reality and enjoy my vacation. So then, yeah, that's how my face is moisturized and prepped already. So then I'm going to be using this under my foundation, and yeah, this is the before. Bam. 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 So yeah, I'm just going to spray this on my face. Wow, my face looked really like matte-ish. Kind of have a little glow, but not much glow, so. So now you can see that I am glowing. I'm gonna let it dry first. Oh, hold on. It's not turtle, are you? I should put the mirror in front of me more. So now you guys can see, I see myself in the mirror that I have more radiance and glow to it every time I turn. There's a sheen. You could go out like this if you want to be natural beauty and glowing. But I'm going to put my Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I am the color warm beige. I'm not in the color warm beige. I'm in other colors too, but you know, I'm just using this one today. And this is my favorite foundation, and it is oil free. So I hope it doesn't messes up or doesn't take away the glowiness because, you know, it's oil free. So yeah, I'm going to be using my beauty blender. I'm still debating. I want, let's just do this. I usually just need 2 pumps. Then I'm good. So yeah. Oh yeah, I can see a difference. Because when I usually just use this and my my Too Faced, when I usually just use my foundation and moisturizer, I don't get this much dewiness to it and glowiness to it because this is like a semi-matte. I don't know. That's how I feel about this foundation. Semi-matte foundation. But I can see the dewiness. It's doing the most. So yeah. Anyways, speaking of Arkansas New Year, I'll be doing my sister Selena Hing. She asked me to be her makeup artist and hairstylist, so yeah, I was like, hell yeah, shit. Oh, fuck. Got foundation on the desk. Hold on. Let me down a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I would say I'd be good to go, but no. But yeah, I'm excited for that because some people have asked me to do their hair and makeup for pageant tour, but I turned it down because I wasn't ready. But you know, I'm ready now. So if you need to get due, holla at me. So now I'm going to conceal my under eyes. This is the Instant Age Rewind. I use this to just conceal the dark circle. This is the color Honey Mail. And then I'll go over with the LA Pro Concealer and Creamy Beige and Highlight. But yeah, I can't believe this year is really flying by. It felt like I was just 21 yesterday. But not this year. I'm feeling 22. Yeah, we still get old. Old. Take my black beauty blender because it's my favorite color. As you can see, I'm wearing black everything. My boxer's probably in black too. I wouldn't be surprised. Let me see. Yes, it is. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to kick y'all. Oh yeah, anyways, most of you guys always ask what color contacts am I wearing. I'm wearing the Innocent Whites by Dezio's contact lenses. It's from Italy. They are, I forgot how much they are, but yeah, they're pretty pricey. They only last for 3 months. This is my second pair. I threw the other one away already. So yeah, I have to throw these away in January. So, my under eyes is concealed and highlighted. And take the rest on my nose bridge and my chin. And now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier. I don't know, there's like a lot of different names. People pronounce all these names, so I don't know the correct way, but it's the white powder. And I think it's the universal powder. I didn't know there was another one that's called a something brightening or something. Taking my small tapered e.l.f. brush, because this is my best brush for going under the eyes because it's tapered. I usually just set my under eyes with the e.l.f. translucent powder, but then, you know, it gives me white flashbacks, so I hardly use that now because it just makes me look like a fucking ghost. So you get my under eyes conceal, don't feel, don't let them show. So now I'm going to contour my face with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil in light to medium. It's my holy grail. Surprised I haven't hit pan yet. So I'm going to take the angled e.l.f. brush. Like, I don't know, I have all these other high-end brushes, but I don't use them. So I'm just going to chisel away. Contouring doesn't have to be perfect. Just kidding. But how I contour is more like a structure, manlier contour. Like, people don't really contour go down, you know, but I contour go down because my face shape is like that, and there's lines, you know, the lines where you know, you gotta contour it out, chisel it out so you know you can see the deep contour. I don't really need contour because my cheekbones are really high already, but yeah, I just use it because, you know, I bought the product and I just want to use it, and I just want to smell like chocolate so people can eat me and lick me. Anyways, had those little hairiness there. I actually like the turban. It actually looks cute on me. So now it's time to contour the nose. I'm going to take the angle up e.l.f. contour brush with the same powder and contour up my nose. When you're contouring your nose, I find out that it's easier to use angled contouring brush because, you know, it's the angled, and, you know, when you curve, it's easier instead of using a fluffy brush. I use the fluffy brush afterwards to, like, blend out the lines so it look more natural. Hit it from the side. Around on my nose. I usually use Anastasia contouring palette, the first one. I got both of them, but I would usually just use the first one. And now the other one. Brush out any white powder into there. So anyways, now I'm gonna go in and highlight. So I'm gonna be using the Becca Jaclyn Hill's Champagne Pop highlighter. I have never used this, so this is kind of like a review for this also. But then I can't do 2 reviews in one. But then I can because it's my YouTube channel. So then yeah, so let's go get on in it. Can't see much. I actually like this. I had the opal. I like that one too. But this one gives you more like a bronzy look because it goes off. I actually like it. Down my nose bridge to add a little pop of color. I really love this. Oh gosh. Yes. Becca, Jacqueline, you did pretty well, girl. This is the finished look slash review slash product I use. Now let's go on into the review. As I am looking at myself right now, I do feel like I have more radiance in my skin. Like the highlight, without the highlight, I can still see the radiance in my skin. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I'm looking at myself right now in the mirror right here. I see radiance glowing, like glowing through the foundation. Because when I don't use the Dewy Mist Spray, I don't see that glowiness in it. But then I actually do, even though the foundation on top of it. But I don't know. Should I set my face with it all over too? Or just leave it under? Fuck it. So I guess I'm doing 2 layers. It actually has a scent to it too. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. It's like a floral scent. Okay. Now that made a big difference also. So I used it under my skin and then over my skin. I usually spray my face with the Fix Plus after finishing my foundation, contouring, highlighting, everything. So everything will mix together. But then I will spray the Fix Plus before to set and blend everything together. And then set my whole entire face with a Tacha Dewy skin mist so that I will have that dewy skin. I actually love how my skin looks like because I don't like looking dry all the time. I don't like looking dry all the time because it just, I don't know, it's not me. But I do like looking dewy like this. You know, this is more of my comfort zone and foundation wise. So yes, if you're wanting to buy this Luminous Tacha Dewy Skin Mist Spray, I would highly recommend it. How I used it is I used it under my skin tone. Well, I didn't thought about this until I did it. So I used it under my skin tone and then put my foundation on top, do my whole entire face, and then I sprayed over the whole makeup to make it look more dewy. So yes, that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.